And I'm here with PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're looking at the OV Pro wireless headphones. These headphones are said to be the world's first hearable assistant that is voice activated with Alexa, Google, Siri, OV. We did a interview with these guys during CES 2019, so if you guys see that content, we'll link that down below so you guys can look at that video. But yeah, so we're going to go in with the unboxing. So it's got this sleeve that we're going to pull out here. Nice pink packaging. I've got the rose gold and white headphones. So this is like a little pastel box. Once you open it, it looks like it's got a little note from OV that's thanking you for choosing their company. It's got a quick start guide, which all of this should be in our review, so look forward to that. And then nice like foam packaging with this little box in the middle. With power cords and whatnot. Yeah. This looks like an adapter, so you can plug it in. Some silicone headphones, earbuds, just to go right in case the size that comes with the headphones do not match your ear size. There's a couple more options here for you. An adapter to charge. And then the headphones. Looks like a really nice fit in the box. I'm gonna pull these out. Very snug in there. And then these are the headphones. It's got some buttons on the inside for right and left. We'll see what those do in the review. They look like they should be magnetic. Yep, they're magnetic. And I believe the box is empty now. So, thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys later.